Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to play Rocky Rabbit game so that you'll be able to claim your Rocky Rabbit token every month. Okay, we all know that they vested 50% of our Rocky Rabbit token, so you'll be claiming 20% every month. And before you can be able to claim it, you need to play games. Some of you in my WhatsApp have been asking me to make a video on how to play the game so that you'll be able to claim your token. Any month that you fail to claim your token, they are going to burn it. Okay, so it's very important that you play the game, claim your token so that they won't burn it. Okay, and I'm also going to show you how to withdraw, because some of you have been complaining that you don't know how to withdraw. I've not had time to make the video on how to withdraw your token. Some of you say they are not sending you code. Maybe you don't know where to get your code. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this video on how to withdraw, where to get your code from. Okay, so you just follow me step by step. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. To all my amazing subscribers and to all the subscribers that have been liking my videos, I really appreciate. Thank you for always supporting me by liking my videos. Okay, so once you log into your Rocky Rabbit dashboard, you're going to see task. That is the first thing that you're going to do. You click on this task for you to perform task. Okay, because you'll be needing the point for you to use it and play game. Okay, so as you can see, I have participated in these three tasks and I got 1,500 points. Okay, so you must do task, you must perform this task for you to be able to play the game. Okay, okay, the task is really simple. This one said follow them on coin market cap. Okay, so you just go there, you add them to your watch list. Okay, write positive tweets. You just click on it, it will take you to your Twitter account. Okay, you just tweet about them and come back, you click on check, it will verify. Okay, you give it some time before it will verify. So the third one said CoinGecko. Just go and add them to watch list on CoinGecko. Okay, it's very simple. You can just click on it, stay small, come back, then you check. After some time, you go and claim. Okay, so this one they said join to Telegram. This one said click on upvote. This one said Rocky Rabbit tweet. Just do some task and make sure that you get enough points, minimum of 1,500 points. Okay, so once you are done with the task, the next thing you are going to do is to click on P to E. Okay, you click here to play the game. So this is the game IQ Rabbit. Okay, so you just click on it. So this game is all about predictions. Okay, you just predict whether Bitcoin is going to win or the Bitcoin is going to lose. Okay, some of you are playing the game and they say they are showing you insufficient balance. They are showing you insufficient balance because you have not performed the task. Okay, that's why you are seeing insufficient balance when you want to play the game. Remember, you need to perform the task, get a minimum of 1,500 points for you to be able to play the game. Okay, so once you come here, as you can see, this place is not highlighted. Okay, this up and down is not highlighted, so you're going to wait for this place to show green. Okay, so we're just waiting for it to show green, so I will show you the next thing to do. Okay, so it will start counting. Once it starts counting, that means it will show green. Okay guys, so it's showing green now. Okay, once it shows green, you come here to change RBTC. If you come here, you see RBTC or USDT. Okay, so you can put it in RBTC. Okay, because you have already performed task, you have already gotten RBTC points, okay? So here you type in the number of RBTC that you want to use, minimum of 1,500, okay? So you just predict whether Bitcoin is going up or Bitcoin is going down, okay? You can just click on up. If they win, you're going to get something. But don't be afraid, even if you lose, you are still going to claim your Rocky Rabbit token. So once you click on any of them, you wait for them to finish playing, okay? You just wait for it to finish counting here. Okay, once it's finished counting, it's going to tell you whether you win or you lose, okay? If you win, they're going to show you here that you win. If you lose, they're going to show you that you lost, okay? So once they're done playing, then the next thing they're going to do is for you to go back to your dashboard to claim, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do once you are done playing is for you to click on wallet, okay? So you click on wallet for you to claim your token, okay? So once you click on your wallet here, you click on wrap Bitcoin, okay? That is your coin. You click on it. Okay, so as you can see, the first one that I claimed in October, I did not claim. As you can see, they burned my 666,538 tokens. So this month, November, I've already claimed my own token, okay? So once you are done playing the game, you come here, you type on claim, and it will be claimed successfully, okay? So once you are done claiming, you go back, you click back on the wallet again, you click on withdraw in case if you want to withdraw your Rocky Rabbit token, okay? So once you click on withdraw, you are going to see your Rocky Rabbit, okay? You click on the Rocky Rabbits that you want to withdraw. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my wallet address. The wallet address that I linked. So if I want to withdraw now, they're going to send me this my token, this 666,538. This is my available balance. They're going to send it to this my wallet, okay? This is my wallet address. So you are going to click on max or the number of tokens that you want to withdraw, okay? So once you click on max, you click on send code. As you can see, this send code is highlighted. So once you click on send code, you're going to go back to get your code because this is where some of you are getting it wrong. Once you click on this send code, you need to go back here. You go back here again. You still go back, make sure that you close the Rocky Rabbit entirely, okay? As you can see, the first one that I withdraw, they sent me code. Here they sent me code, okay? So this is where you get your code, okay, in your Rocky Rabbit dashboard, okay? So you know if you want to open it, you just click on play and it will open. If you want to get your code, make sure that you close the entire Rocky Rabbit that you open. You close it, then you are going to see your verification code. So you just copy the code. All you need to do is just to copy this code that they sent to you. Don't copy my own, oh. Copy the one that they will send to you. So once you copy it, you go back to your Rocky Rabbit dashboard where you are doing your withdrawal. Click on the wallet, click on withdraw. Then you are going to enter the code here, paste the code here. Then you click on confirm withdrawal, okay? And remember they're going to charge you for gas fee, okay? I don't want to place a withdrawal now because I don't want to pay this gas fee for just 600,000 token. Okay, so you just click on confirm withdrawal and they're going to send you your Rocky Rabbit token to the wallet address that you provided, okay? Okay, guys, so this is how to play the game, claim your token, and withdraw your token, okay? Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And also like my video. Support me by liking my video. And if you're not in my WhatsApp group, kindly click on the link below this video. I'm going to paste my WhatsApp group link in the description box of this video. Click on it and you'll join my WhatsApp group, because it's not every update that I post in my WhatsApp group that I post in my YouTube channel, okay? If you also have any question regarding this Rocky Rabbit, you can actually ask your question in the comment section, okay? Don't come to my WhatsApp to ask me questions based on this Rocky Rabbit. Ask your questions in the comment section and I'm going to attend to you. Thanks for watching.